Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in Paychex app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, to get logged in into your account, all you need to do is simply tap open your Paychex app. So once your Paychex app is opened up, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do now is go in the next interface, which you'll be redirected to. Then you will end up in this page where all you need to do to get logged in into your account is to type in your username and your password of your account. So once you're done filling in both the credentials, you can also tick on the remember me option and hit the sign in button. After you are done with this, you will get logged in into your Paychex account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.